In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix ASUS Vivobook not turning on. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if this happens, it's usually due to a static power buildup in the motherboard or a logic crash where the system is actually on but the screen's frozen. Now, before you assume the hardware is broken, follow the 60-second hard reset protocol. So most Vivobooks feature a non-removable battery, which can sometimes trap static electricity, preventing the power button from working. So unplug the charger and all USB devices, then press and hold the power button for a full 60 seconds. Do not let go early even if the lights flicker. Then plug the charger back in, wait 2 minutes for the battery to handshake with the power brick, then press the power button once normally. Look at the side of your Vivobook for the small LED light next to the charging port, and if you use no light, your charger or charging port is likely dead, so try a different outlet, or if your Vivobook supports it, a 65-watt USB-C charger. Now, if it's a steady orange or white, the laptop is receiving power, and if it still doesn't turn on, it's a display or sleep issue. Now, if it's blinking orange, the battery is dangerously low, so let it charge for 30 minutes before trying to turn it on again. Then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials as well.